Welcome to CertBlaster. Here we're going to take a look at one of the performance-based questions that tests your knowledge of the function and placement of network security devices. First, we'll look at the CertBlaster interface. You can see all the tests available. We'll open the Security Plus SY0-401 and check the contents. When we activate the Security Plus drop-down, you can see the contents. There are 4 90-question exam simulations covering all of the objective material. Beneath that, there are objective-based drills. These drills are designed to help you focus on specific exam objective-based content and help you solidify your knowledge. We suggest you utilize all the questions and maximize your grasp of the topics. Always make sure you very carefully read the questions. At CompTIA exams, subtle changes in the wording will change the correct answer. Read the questions in their entirety first, then reread to eliminate anything irrelevant. Often, statements are inserted that will throw you off the track to the real solution. Because this type of wording is present on the actual exam, we do it in CertBlaster to help you prepare, so do take your time. Here's the question. For the best network protection, the placement of specialized servers and network appliances is critical. You have 2 devices to place on the network. In the graphic shown, the first router in line from the internet is also an active firewall. You have one device that will detect suspicious network traffic based on its configuration while issuing alerts. This device is intended to detect web service attacks using deep packet inspection. The second device is intended to prevent network-initiated malware downloads. Place the labels for these devices to the best location on the subnet on the network map shown. Rereading the question, you can pick out the requirements. When you're ready, drag the label of your selected device to the correct location on the network map. When you've made your selections, you can check your answer in study mode using the answer button in the toolbar and see if you're correct, or read the explanations to see why the devices were placed in their positions. The first statement in the question illustrates the need for network security devices. This is a general, non-specific statement that can be disregarded. Basically, you have 2 devices that need placement on a LAN, with 4 targets for your labels. Watch out here, as that statement can require up to 4 items. The next item of importance is the first router in position 1 is an active firewall. Keep that in mind, as you may think a device belongs in position 1, but that position is occupied. This observation just reduced your area of concentration to 3 network segments, positions 2 through 4. The next crucial area is the available devices and where they would be optimized on the network. You have a gateway, an anti-malware appliance, a 𝐀𝐻𝐿s, a web application firewall, and a proxy server. Check the network layout for obvious hits. Position 2 is your user segment. Position 3 is the segment that holds your internal business operation servers, and position 4 contains all inbound and outbound web applications and services. Let's check the question again. You have one device that's designed to detect suspicious network traffic and issue alerts. This device is configured to detect web service attacks using deep packet inspection. This could be a web application firewall or a 𝐀𝐻𝐿s. Don't waste time. See if this second device is an easier fit, and you'll have a few seconds to think and fewer choices. The second device is intended to prevent network-initiated malware downloads. This one's a little easier. Since you know that network-initiated malware downloads come from users accessing infected sites, downloading malware, or responding to fake virus warnings, you know that you need to protect position 2. The appropriate device is the anti-malware appliance. Okay, one down, one to go. Let's assume you're still stuck. Don't spend a lot of time. You can mark the question for later. Go through the remaining choices, weeding out the bad choices. First, the proxy server is out as it provides internet access but not the level of protection required. Toss it out. The gateway has the ability to monitor and block ports and IP addresses based on its configuration. That one too is out. We have our original 2 choices left. The NIDS issues alerts about inbound packets and provides a degree of protection against some attack types. Keep that as a possibility. Finally, the Web Application Firewall device. The Web Application Firewall device is specifically designed to deeply inspect packets looking for known threats, but in addition, has the capability to look for unusual or unexpected requests. That would be the type of request that doesn't make sense in the context of the communication. That's our best choice. So there you have it. We'll check the answer button and see how we did. We got it correct. Congratulations.